In this video, we are going to work on using the sight words that we've already learned to build sentences. Let's listen to the directions.
Listen to the sentence. Drag the cards to make the sentence. Then click OK. I see a moth.
Listen to it again and tell me which word comes at the beginning.
I see a moth.
I comes at the beginning, right? I see a moth. We have I. Can you find see? Look down here. Can you find the word see? Right here it is. I see. Can you find A? Remember, the typewriter A looks a little bit different than the way we write it. It looks right here, like that one. I see A, and then we have a picture of a moth, and we always end our sentences with some kind of punctuation. And in this case, we're going to have a period there. Okay, let's check it and see.
Fantastic!
We got it in the right order. Let's go on to the next one.
I see a shell.
I see a shell. Isn't that a pretty shell? Can you find the word I down here for me? It looks a little bit different than when we write it. When we write the word I, we go like this. This is the word I, and that's what we're used to seeing. This is how the typewriter makes the word I, so it looks a little bit different. So don't get confused and think that's just a letter. Because remember, in sentences, we deal only with words. Words are groups of letters put together to make a word. And we don't have a word called L. L is a letter. So this is I. I is both a letter and a sight word. Let's listen to the sentence again.
I see a shell.
I see. Can you find the word see down here? Right here it is. I see. And then here's the word A. It's that funny typewriter A again. I see a shell. And then we always end the sentence with some type of punctuation. And we're just saying something. We're not asking something. So in this case, it is the little tiny dot that is a period.
Fantastic!
Good job. Let's listen to this one.
We see a ladybug.
Oh, we get to find the sight word we in this sentence. Can you find the sight word we down here? Yes, it's right here. And look, when we were learning we before, we did it like this. We did the lowercase w is what we learned. And that's right too. But in this case, this has an uppercase W because it is the first word in a sentence. And the first letter of the first word always begins with an uppercase letter. So that's why they are using the uppercase W. So we can be written either like this, with the uppercase W and the E, or we can be written like this, with the lowercase w and the e. It can be written either way, so they're both correct, depending on where they are at in the sentence. So, let's listen to the sentence again.
We see a ladybug.
We see a ladybug. Can you find the word see? Ah, it's right here, isn't it? We see a say ladybug, period.
Fantastic!
Nice work. Good job. And that's the end of that game. Next week, I'm going to try to talk to you guys over the computer and see if I can show you how to log in so that you can play games like this too on the reading software that we have. That way I'm not just doing the game with you, you get to play it and go through it and put things in order yourself. Okay, thank you for building sentences with me today.